The mining industry is embracing cutting-edge robotics. The Stinger robot, a compact, self-bracing machine, is designed for high-force drilling in tight, irregular underground spaces. Its tri-leg bracing and force feedback control allow it to adapt to unstructured tunnels. Teams of drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, are also being deployed underground for inspection, mapping, and gas detection, using Wi-Fi mesh networks, an auction-based task assignment. Drones equipped with LiDAR and deep learning object detection are creating georeferenced terrain models of open-pit mines. This technology enables real-time monitoring, enhances site safety, and supports the development of digital twins for mining operations. In India, drone-based LiDAR surveying is improving accuracy and transparency in mineral extraction. BHP is partnering with KTL and BYD to develop battery-powered heavy equipment and locomotives, aiming to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and increase renewable energy use. Green mining practices like bioleaching and water recycling are also gaining traction, with rising demand for critical minerals such as copper and lithium. Startups are using artificial intelligence and data science to locate new deposits and improve refining processes. Project monitoring units and digital oversight tools are being used to ensure effective governance, prevent illegal mining, and support environmental, social, and governance goals.